professional.
Hey, it's me, VoiceOver Goke. In this video I went a bit bigger on my graffiti piece with a lot of leftover cans. First, let's do some first lines. Now start filling the letters with some purple. A few different tones of purple to get some fadings into the G. I used aka Montana Black, Domino Smart and double A cans on this piece. Leftovers. Adding some blue with the astrofat cap, because astrofat is love. Oh, and no good leftover piece without a tool to burst some cans. A scissor. But bursting almost empty cans isn't the best idea to get nice fadings. You will see. To get a bit higher, grab yourself a Spezi-Kasten. But now it's time for some ASMR. Enjoy the Madmaxx. And this is how it looks when you burst cans that aren't shaped well. But I like the outcome, and we are doing graffiti. It has to be like this if someone asks you. If you have some needle cans, use them. I've never used them, so I did this day. This is the moment when you realize you brought leftovers over leftovers and every can is getting empty. There is an O. And another O. The first outlines, starting inside the G. Makes sense, right?
Oh, yeah, guys.
First one is down. And the second one. Now attempt number 3. Put in a few big tags and we are done. Here is the final result.